Hello guys, welcome back to Happy Holiday. If you guys don't know what that is, I am doing a series on my channel where I upload every day up until Christmas, and so far things are going pretty well. I haven't lost any hair yet. But for today's video, I have my LCO method, how I pretty much moisturize and seal my hair, as well as my braid out routine. But for this video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I use. A lot of you guys ask how I maintain my hair like throughout the week, like between my washes and my co-washes and everything. So I'm really excited to bring this video here for you guys today. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell because it will notify you every time I upload and you don't want to miss a post. My regular schedule is Wednesdays and Sundays. I'm hoping to switch it up in the new year with maybe an extra upload or something like that, but I'm not making any promises. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I LCO my hair as well as how I do my braid outs and everything like that, then let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alrighty guys, I have just been honestly rocking buns for like the longest time because it just keeps my hair so moisturized and it doesn't require me to do anything to it. So I have been rocking the buns. I also need a perm pretty badly, but that's a story for another day. I don't need it really badly. I just need to like get my life together, if that makes sense. So I'm going to comb out my hair, well, brush out my hair. This is the Conair like wet brush. I love this thing. It like barely like causes my hair to shed like at all. It's so nice. So what should I do? I'm trying to think if I should like part my hair in half, or what should I feel like I'm... Oh, I need a mirror. That's something that I do need, and I will go grab a clip and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we're back, I think I'm just going to part my hair a little bit like to the side. Nothing crazy, just like a little side part. And I don't like to find parts because I kind of like to flip my hair all different directions, so I'm just gonna kind of like section off my hair, but like not really. So okie dokie, I'm gonna start working on this side. I'm doing a braid out, but I'm also showing you guys how I LCO my hair. But the amount of braids that you have will depend on how tight you want your curls. I like mine pretty small, so I do maybe like 8 or 10 braids throughout my hair, but it's totally up to you. So I'm just going to take this bottom section of my hair. I usually break this section into like 4 sections or so. So I'm going to clip this up out of the way. Well, let me actually use a clip for this side and put this side in a little bow. Fun. I have my water bottle here. This is from Sally's Beauty Supply. I like to wet my hair before I do my LCO. I just find that it just really makes my hair nice and moisturized, and it makes the products absorb better into my hair. So you can use like water with like leave-in conditioner in it. You can use like a spray leave-in conditioner, whatever you guys have. I don't actually have any spray conditioner left. I have to go to the store to pick some up. But I'm going to be using the Elastic QP Olive Oil and Mango Butter Anti-Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. If you guys haven't seen my top 5 leave-in conditioners video, I will have that link down below for you guys. So I just take about this much. It's like a dime size amount. Rub that between my hands and apply that to the section of hair, making sure to get from the root to the tips of my hair, making sure that everything is nice and hydrated. My hair loves this leave-in conditioner so much. It's one of my favorites. I'm so happy that I found it. It is so good. So making sure to get those ends, because especially in the winter time, my ends get so dry. So I just go ahead and make sure that's all incorporated. Take my brush. I have a wet brush for in the shower and as well as one for outside the shower. The pink one that you guys see is the one that I use for in the shower. So I'm going to go ahead and take some olive oil. This is pure olive oil. I don't use extra virgin olive oil in my hair. I just find that pure absorbs better and quicker into my hair. So I take literally not even a drop, like barely anything. I don't even know if you guys will be able to see it. Like, I didn't even like pour it. I just kind of like tipped the bottle. And I just place that in my hair as well. Making sure to get the roots and the tips as well. Making sure to get my nape, because your nape gets so dry, especially in the winter time, because of scars and rubbing against jackets and everything like that. So now I just go ahead and braid this section up. Nothing crazy, just a regular braid. Regular braid. And I just braid this down like so. It's okay if you run out of hair, it's no big deal. As you guys can see, it's just a regular braid. And then to tie off my braid, one of these perm rods, and I just wrap the ends of my hair around it and I roll it up and I pin it. Now this braid out gives me a much more defined look. When I wear my hair naturally curly, my curls are pretty crazy because I do relax my hair, like you guys know. So I don't get like a super defined curl when I do relax my hair. When I do this method, I just have really nice defined, not curls, but like just definition, more definition than I do when I just scrunch my hair. So I usually do this method in the winter time because I don't like to do my hair as often, but in the summertime when I'm doing like swimming, when I'm going like to the beach, to the pool and stuff, I don't mind as much getting my hair wet because it's the summertime. So I usually just scrunch my hair in the summertime, and then just go out with it wet. But in the wintertime here in New York, it's cold and I don't like to go out with a wet head. So I'm just going to show you guys one more time what I do, and then I'm going to do the rest of my head sped up so you guys don't get bored of me. But I just go ahead and wet my hair with some water. Take about a dime size amount of my leave-in. And you can definitely add a setting lotion to this. I just don't have one to set like your curls in place and everything. But this usually lasts me like two days or so, and like at night I just re-braid my hair up, like not in like specific sections or anything. I just braid it up and it will last me fine. So I'm just applying that leave-in, making sure to get the ends of your hair, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the pure olive oil, just barely tip it that much. You can barely even see it because I don't like to use that much. Making sure to get it on the root and everything and on the tips. Now I'm just going to go ahead, braid this section up like so. I like to alternate the directions of the perm rods as well, just to give it a little bit of dimension when I let my hair out. And so I just, you guys will see the results of this braid out tomorrow in tomorrow's video. So look forward to that. So I just roll it up and there we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my head, and I will show you guys what it looks like when I'm all done. Mention to you guys that for this front section I do flat twist my hair. I just find that this gives it a little bit more dimension, and it just makes everything a little bit easier when I'm taking everything down. So I just thought I'd mention that. If you guys don't know how to flat twist, I really can't tell you because it's really easy. It's almost like French braiding, except you're just using two sections of hair, if that makes sense. So I just flat twist all the way down to the end, and then I twist, 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 twist as far as I can, and then I just do the same thing. I just lock it into place with a little perm rod, and I just roll this one up a little bit more because it is twisted and not braided. So, ouch. So there's that. So this side is done. I look like Susie from Rugrats. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish the other side of my head, and we'll get back to what we were doing. That's it. That is really all I do to moisturize and seal my hair throughout the week. I usually do this every other day, usually just because I don't want to weigh down my hair too much, and I do co-wash, so like midweek. So I usually wash my hair on Sundays, and then by like Wednesday, Thursdays when I wash my hair again. So I usually do this I do this the day I wash my hair, which is Sunday, and then probably the next time I do it is Tuesday. I wash my hair usually Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday I'll moisturize and seal again. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, definitely let me know down below and leave a comment. Leave me any video requests that you guys have, what videos you want to see hair-wise, makeup-wise, lifestyle-wise. I'm filming a clean with me. I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you girls so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.